Okay, here's an alarm collection too, same as pole station ones, as I probably up. Anyways, I see no mounted plates, but here's this one. All these are in good condition, except little defects, of course. There you go. I'll stroke this in a different video, slash sound off. We have a smoke alarm. We have the box for the smoke alarm. The smoke alarm, I'll show off that in a different video actually. Bigger tall things, bigger stuff. Put this away for now. Sorry for the poor video quality. I am a new channel, not professional. I'm not job. Okay. This thing wants to fall. Spectral advances are cool, but that doesn't mean I'll let them fall in a box into a smoke alarm and beep, beep, beep. Okay, cut. Okay, so this probably interested you guys. No, it's not P2RK. No mounting plate. Backbox is new, but this is. I'll show you. You can already tell. Or what? P4R. Nice little alarm, isn't it? You also have the back box that won't go with it. No mounting plate, unfortunately, but yeah. Short video, isn't it? I could actually show off my smoke alarm. I'm not sound it. That's a different video. If I don't know I'm sounding. Okay, cut for now. Smoke alarm. It does have the mounting stuff, but it's never used. It's connected to power right now. I mean, not no battery. This is KD P9050 smoke alarm. We have the dust cover and stuff. Yeah, it's cool. I guess that's all for today's video. Or second video, maybe. Yeah. Subscribe or get out. Don't mind. Oh, there we go. I cannot. There we go. Goodbye.